Welcome to Kids Nursery TV.
Ribbit Ribbit frog goes hop hop hop, leaping on the lily pads, never gonna stop. Splashing in the pond with a jump so high, touching all the stars in the moonlit sky. Hop little froggy, bounce so free, wiggle your toes so happily. Croak and giggle, dance with me. Ribbit Ribbit 1, 2, 3. Ribbit Ribbit goes the bouncy green frog, hiding in the bushes near the morning frog. Wearing tiny goggles and a crown so gold, tales of the jungle he bravely told. Hop little froggy, bounce so free, wiggle your toes so happily. Croak and giggle, dance with me. Ribbit Ribbit 1, 2, 3. Now the stars are shining bright, Froggy's yawning saying goodnight. Snuggle the leaves, not a sound to be heard, just one last ribbit like a whispering bird. Good night, good night. Fucking ribbit, good night.
Thank you for watching. Hooray! Don't forget to click subscribe today.